Hi, my name is Muhammad Ali. Welcome to my project. I will be using AWS Bedrock services, that is a generative AI tool. It is a very new tool, and I will be using it to summarize documents. So the services that I will be using are Amazon Bedrock, Lambda functions, API gateways, S3 buckets, and Postman. Lambda functions. Lambda functions enable code to execute in response to various triggers. API gateways serve as a gateway for secure, reliable access to our application. S3 buckets provide scalable object storage solutions. And Postman simplifies API development and testing. Let's look at AWS Bedrock. So when you go to the AWS Bedrock page, let's go to Overview. You'll see that there's quite a few models available here. Some work with text, other work with images. The model that I'm using is Claude V2. Here are other models that are available. You can see this is Meta's model. This is AWS, its own LLM model. AWS allows for external models to integrate within the AWS Bedrock framework. So if you look at the API gateway, once you set up your API gateway, mine is called Bedrock API, this will be the endpoint that we will use with Postman. Postman, here's my endpoint. I put in a post request with my document, and this is an article that I've copied from the web. This is an article about a 4-day work week. I've not copied the heading, just the body of the article, and to make sure that I didn't get any of the any characters here that are unintentional, actually put it in here in my terminal, and you can see it's actually quite a long article. So let's use Postman and the API gateway that we set up, the endpoint, and let's send this. Once the code has been generated, it'll send summary generated message right here, which means that now we should be able to see that here it is. So we've taken a long article, and let's just download this and open this up. So you can see what Bedrock has done for us is it's taken that long article and it's made a summary for us. So now we can see that the United Auto Worker Union proposed a 4-day, 32-hour work week, and now I don't have to go through that whole article. I can just look at the summary, and I can then decide if I need to dig into that article or if this is good enough for me. So that's basically what AWS Bedrock does. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Good luck to everybody, and happy holidays.